this thing is completely dead. So it's been probably at least like 4 or 5 months since the last time I drove the S2000. This thing literally just sits in the garage and I drive it maybe a couple times a year. Super neglected, but this video should be a fun one. We're finally going to be taking the S2000 out and doing some stuff with it. Marcus is going to be coming into town and he's going to be shooting a pretty sick video of this thing, so I'm super excited to see how that turns out. This is going to be like the BTS of that, but either way I'm excited to drive this car. So before we do that, I actually have to go get some new tires mounted on the front. If you guys watched my Meister video, you might remember me saying how we have some beefy tires on the front right now, and I still have some rubbing issues. So I got some 205 35s that I'm gonna replace, that are gonna replace the 215s that are on there right now. That should resolve my rubbing issues. So that's the plan for today. I'm gonna head to the tire shop and get the new tires mounted, and then the car should be ready to shoot. But before we do that, I gotta figure out a way to start this thing because it's just completely dead. And the funny thing is, the video that Marcus is going to be shooting is sponsored by Die Hard, so they actually sent me a new battery sitting right over there. So that's probably what I'm going to do right now, is install it, start this car, and then put the old battery in, because we have to film us installing the new battery. And yeah, that's probably the only way I'm going to start the car right now. The S14 probably doesn't have enough juice because it just sits in the garage as well. I do have a battery tender, but it's currently on the R6. So once I install the new battery in the S2000, I'm probably gonna have to buy another battery tender just so that the battery doesn't go bad. Plan for right now is to get the wheels off and head to the tire shop, so that's what we're gonna do for today. And then we're gonna continue the video once Marcus is in town and we're actually shooting the S2000. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, should be a fun one. So this is the current setup. We have 215 35s on a 9. If the wheel was a 9.5, it probably would have been fine, but the fact that it's a 9 kind of adds a little more meat to it. So it has very minimal stretch. And as you could see right there is where it rubs. So yeah, on turns, it hits my fender, my bumper. When I'm pulling into my driveway and whatnot, it actually hits my headlight bracket in there. So that's kind of the reason I'm stepping down. I'm really curious to see how the 205 is gonna look on the 9. This is what it would have looked like if it was a 9.5. These are 9.5s with 215 35s, but this one just does not have enough stretch, which kind of sucks. I wish the fronts were 9.5s, but it's all good. We got some 205 35s right here, which is a super odd size. There was only 2 brands that I could find online, so I went with Acceleras. And I also just realized I actually don't need to install the battery. I got some jumper cables here, so we're just gonna throw that on the battery, run that to the car, and hope that it starts. So it's the next day. This is what the Fitment looks like as of now with the 205s on the front. And honestly, the 205s gave the wheels a lot more clearance. At full lock, I no longer rub my headlight bracket under the fender, so super clutch. And if you guys didn't know, I'm currently running a 1-inch spacer on the front because the specs of these wheels are actually pretty weak. They're 18x9 in the front, so I had to run a 1-inch spacer just for it to poke the mount that I like. Right now, I currently have the lip pretty flush with the fender, and after putting the 205s on, it actually looks a little more sunk because the 215s had a little more meat, filled this area a little more. So what I want to do right now is possibly add a 5mm spacer. Marcus is actually on his way to my house right now, and he lives about 2.5 hours away, so I still have some time to mess with the Fitment and whatnot. Since I'm gonna be messing with the spacers, I just randomly thought of this. He's seen my car multiple times, he knows what the Fitment looks like, but I'm gonna mess with my boy. I'm gonna take my spacers completely off and just make the Fitment look stupid whack. So it looks decent right now, but without the spacers, the wheel's gonna be tucked all the way in there, and it's just gonna look super whack. So I'm gonna try to get his reaction. He's gonna get here, and he's gonna be so confused. And I'll just tell him that's what the 205s did. And he's probably not even gonna wanna film the car anymore, but I don't know, I feel like it'll be worth trying to get his reaction, and then I'll just throw the spacers back on. But yeah, that's the game plan for right now. Let's mess with this Fitment and make it look whack. All right, we're gonna go from decent Fitment to complete garbage. Look at this. That looks so whack. Yeah, that looks like straight garbage. If he doesn't notice that, then he's tripping. I ended up only doing one side because there's no point in doing this side. He's just gonna see that side. So here's what it looks like with the spacer. Not bad, not bad. Decent fitment compared to no spacer. You can't even see the wheel, bro. Now we're just gonna wait for him to get here and then we'll get his reaction. What's up, bro? What's good?
I got you some clips there, bro. After I come here, I got you some clips there.
Alright, cool.
Did you get your tires on?
I did.
You did?
Are you ready for this? Are we ready to film?
Yeah.
Alright, let me show you real quick. So these are the new tires.
Holy moly.
Give it way more clearance.
This thing is slam. This is frame banging S2000 right here.
Fitment check?
Damn. That's one size down?
Yeah, that's one size down.
That's a lot of room.
How's the fitment?
It's good.
Is it?
What is this? What's going on here? Did you take out the spacer?
Okay, now stop lying. How's the actual fitment, bro?
Did you take out the spacers or no? It should be poking out more, bro.
He said the fitment's nice. Why you capping, bro?
Yo, I can't do the homie like that, bro.
Bro.
That's I was like trying to see if I can fit a finger, and I'm like, yo, what?
You can fit more than a finger, my
The
boy.
whole hand goes in. Like, all right, that's fine. All the shots, the wheels turn, so it's fine.
Dude, I should have took this side off too. I was gonna take both off, but then I was like, nah, I'll just take one off
So
and
you
just.
literally pulled this just for me.
Yes, I just want to see your reaction, bro. This guy gets here, he's like, yo, what is this? I'm not filming this crap.
I had to double take at the rear too, bro. I look at the rear, I'm like, is it the same? Like, is the rear as bad too?
No, the rear is. I didn't do anything to the
the
rear.
rear's good.
We can add a spacer if you want, though.
No, it's fine.
Okay. But yeah, dude, this is a 1-inch spacer. I took off a 1-inch spacer.
This is a lot more than this, bro.
Bro,
The wheels hit and it's in the top.
bro, I took it off and I was like, I can't even look at it, bro. It looks so hideous. 18 by 9, bro.
This is the most offset you can do for 18 by 9?
No, it's just these are the wheels that were available, so that's why I bought them.
Yeah, I know, but this is a lot of. I mean, this is.
It's plus 4. Plus 4.
Okay, so you can go negatives.
Yeah. Like the offset's not that low, but yeah, just weak specs. But we got the spacer here. No worries, we'll throw it back on. Everything will be Gucci. Dude, I love your reaction though. You said it's not bad. It's not bad.
Like all my whole hands in there too. It's not bad. I've never looked at your S2000.
No?
No.
Sit down.
I never even sat in it. I never did anything in this car.
You might be a little. I mean, we're like the same height, but it's kind of tight in there.
Position.
Yeah.
I like your buckets.
Throw the wheel on. See if your knees hit the wheel.
If it doesn't ding, bro. Come on, man. Yo.
Make it ding for me, bro. You just gotta take that little ring off.
Are you serious? It doesn't ding?
It doesn't ding. I'm sorry, bro. I'm a grown up now.
I'm more disappointed than this than the spacer.
You'll get
I'm
this.
more disappointed than this than the spacer.
You'll get there someday.
This is sick though. It's
The
a
start
P car,
button?
bro. No,
It's actual push to start.
Yeah,
bro.
it's actual push to start, and it's on the left hand.
Yeah, it's
It's a
factory.
Porsche right there.
This is my.
I sure hope so.
This is my poor man's Porsche right here.
Nardi?
Nardi gang.
Ah, it's a fake one?
Nah, it's not
I'm just
fake, bro.
kidding,
Shut
bro.
up. My wife wouldn't get me a fake one. Come on, man. I love you, Randy, but this got to be done just for the video. It's 7 in the morning.
Literally 7 in the morning.
Bro, why are we always shooting so early?
It's either 3 a.m. that we shoot or we shoot at like 7 a.m.
Yeah, we never shoot at a regular time. It's either we're shooting like stupid late or I guess it's not that early. It's 7 a.m. so it's not too bad. But
The only thing is it's 7 a.m. but we went to sleep at like 12:30 last night.
I know. So we're super tired, but we're gonna head to a pretty sick spot right now.
Sick. Stop.
It's been like at least 5 or 6 months since I've driven this car. Feels super weird. right, made it to the first location. Here's our roller rig for today. My boy is strapped in, bro.
Yo, don't mind me, bro. Yo, socks on or off, my guy?
Probably take them off, bro. It's a little hot out here. Bro.
Oh, we're locked and loaded, bro. We're ready to go.
All right, let's get it. My guy is using his foot to keep the trunk open as he's operating the gimbal. Professional, baby, let's get it. My guy's getting risky with it. Some fresh scrapes right there.
Not even the scrapes, bro. Look how dirty this thing is.
The car's not the only thing scraping right now. My boy
is,
scraping his gimbal on the ground.
Frame banging gimbal right here, bro. Frame banging gimbal.
Shout out to Wifey for helping with the rollers. Plug.
The plug.
The plug right here.
Name me another person that would wake up on a Thursday at like 6 a.m. to shoot this thing.
That's
bro.
facts, bro. We had to wake up pretty early just for this, so thank you. All right, you're free to go. Engine bay battery cinematics? Okay. I guess that's what we're doing now.
Bro, you guys should see this battery, bro. One hell of a battery. It's probably brand new, I'm assuming.
How's the fitment on the battery? No, hey, don't lie though.
You threw spacers on it, didn't you?
Threw spacers, bro.
You guys just wait until you guys see these battery shots, bro. Best shots of the film, honestly.
Oh, that actually looks dope.
What did I
Oh,
say? What did I
this
say?
man can make anything look fire. A freaking battery, bro. He's gonna incorporate a battery shot into the video and is gonna somehow look fire. I don't know how this man does it. My guy's out here hiking, bro. He's out there in the sticks just to get the shot. All right, we're doing a flyby shot where he's in the trees and he told me to haul ass, so I just got a mob. And he's somewhere in the trees right there.
Bro, this thing always looks so sick on camera.
Was that a good flyby?
Yeah, that was perfect.
All right, we done, huh?
Yeah, we're at
Sick.
the max. Well, we can probably fit like another 4 cameras right there, and that's
100%, bro. Could fit so much more gear in this thing. Let's go.
We get A+, bro. That's 2,000 for the win.
So we're done filming during the day. Now we're doing the intro scene. It's kind of backwards, but that's just how movie magic sometimes works.
That's how the Washington weather works, bro. It's raining tomorrow and after tomorrow.
Facts. So we had to film the rollers and everything while we could today, and then we're filming the intro scene last. That's just kind of how these things go. But yeah, shout out Die Hard. They sent me the battery. We got some tools for the install. We got a little magnetic tray.
These tools are cool because they have their logos on them. Same with this. Obviously, there's a big Die Hard logo. It's an easy way to shamelessly plug it while still having the video retention be there.
For sure.
As soon as you start throwing logos and you start throwing just random shots of products that people, I guess, wouldn't watch otherwise.
Yeah. Don't click off the video. Don't click off the video right now.
Video retention would just drop. So that's
This video's not sponsored.
pretty cool. They actually sell small ratchets. Good to carry around in your car. And then same with this. This is actually pretty sick. You have
It
magnets
is.
in this.
Yeah, I don't have like a tray or anything for like. Look at this, bro. Like this is straight up. This is not set up. I just got a whole bunch of like random crap laying around here. That's not.
Yo,
oh, it is
hold
holding. Sick.
Yeah. Yo,
Let's
Houdini.
go.
Houdini. Yo.
Nice,
David
dude.
Blaine up in here.
That's
you know what
clutch. I thought I was getting just the battery. We got a tray, so now I can clean all this junk up.
I mean? It's pretty
Plug.
cool. So yeah. Whole intro sequence is gonna be around this. Originally, we were supposed to film this first. Luckily, nothing happened to the car. I was also kind of scared of
Yo,
something,
chill.
like breaking a splitter or something. Cause then
Chill. I know what I'm doing.
But yeah, luckily the car came back in one piece.
Yeah.
We would have done this first. Usually I would do these shots first, but it's actually raining tomorrow and after tomorrow. So.
Not fake, guys. My battery's actually completely dead.
Perfect car.
Perfect car for the sponsorship, bro. Like, it's so dead that my starter's not even gonna tick. We hit start and it just completely dies. So the battery was a little too dead. We couldn't even get the engine to turn over. So we got this little jumper box on there. This might be the shot right here.
Good.
We're torturing this car, bro.
Your starter goes out.
Starter
it was all worth it.
Hey, yo. Respectfully. We got the Scur Weekly film certified.
Find those, bro.
Throw them on, bro. Throw one on. You choose which one. You choose which one. Is that a good spot?
They're real. Dang, bro, I'm hella high.
I know. Hey, chill. Your car's right outside, bro. Don't make me go out there right now.
I found my AliExpress store.
Okay, maybe we should put on the 14. Does the 14 have more options?
Yeah, 14 you found here.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
I got the approval to run it on the taillight?
That's what I like. That's what I remind.
Yeah, I know. I'm not trying to bite though.
I think I'm on the right though.
Alex, put it on the diffuser of the SCK. Put it inside. Whatever. Put it on the mirror.
I'm gonna put little Aiden on the mirror. I got my little sticker collection over here. We got the little Aidens over here. We gotta throw some of these on. Yeah, bro, you want one?
Heck.
I got you, bro.
Yes.
I got you. All right, let's go throw some of these little Aidens on. Yeah, that one's pretty dope.
That one actually flows.
Yeah, that's pretty dope actually. All right, thank you. Got the stamp of approval right here.
I think right here, yeah.
For sure on the mirror. That way, when you every time you look,
Yeah, every time I drive, just looking at little Aiden.
little Aiden.
Yup. Little Aiden's on the whip. If you know, you know.
That way, whenever you're driving, boom, you look over. Constant reminder.
Alright guys, well that's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to say thanks for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm actually just curious how you guys feel about these BTS style videos. Do you guys actually enjoy watching them? If so, give this video a thumbs up, help your boy out. A lot of work goes into these videos and a lot of hours goes into editing. So if you guys enjoyed watching it, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this style of video. And also shout out to Marcus for putting all of this together and getting the S2000 a new battery. I'm super excited that I'm finally gonna have a proper video of this thing. And with that being said, the video is actually out now, so you guys should go watch it on Scur Weekly's channel. The link is gonna be right down below in the description. Go show that man some love. He's super talented and he puts an extra work and effort into his videos. I mean, watching him work is just pretty motivating for me, and you guys should just go show him some love. Go watch the video, give it a thumbs up. And with all that being said, that's gonna be it for this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.